Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Lyft application pretty often, but recently it just wouldn't load rides or even open properly. So if you are stuck with the same issue, here is how you can fix the Lyft app easily right from your phone. So first of all, you need to just start by clearing the app's cache. If it only going to take a few minutes and often solve a lot of loading problems. For that, you need to simply come out of your Lyft application and then you just have to simply long press on its icon. Then tap on this eye icon and you will be landed in the app info of Lyft. Now over here, tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache and then tap on clear cache again and tap on OK. So if you are using your Android device, you just have to simply clear the cache just like so. In your iPhone, you just have to go to settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and there you will find Lyft. So once you tap on that, you need to just offload the application, then reinstall it. Now clearing the cache of or offloading removes the corrupted or the temporary files without actually deleting your account or application data. Now if the issue still persists, what you can do, secondly, you can simply just open your Google Play Store or App Store, and over here in the search bar you need to simply search for Lyft. If you are able to find any update for Lyft, you need to simply tap on the update button, and then you will be able to just update or upgrade your version of Lyft application. So updating the app fully, close it, and then you just have to simply reopen it, and keeping Lyft updated, make sure that it works smoothly with your phone's latest software. So after doing these two methods, you are definitely gonna fix this issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more app solutions. Thanks for watching.